Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in a safe spawn position and immediately buying high-value early defense. You want to survive the first 40 rounds while building income. Use a 0-2-3 Dart Monkey or 0-2-3 Glue as your first reliable tower because they cost little and handle ceramic and Moab leads. Once set, start a single banana farm only after round 20 when you have a 200 to 500 cash buffer. This prevents crippling rushes while growing your economy. Once done with basic income, push mid-game power spikes by combining attack rate debuffs and high single target damage. This handles grouped ceramics and early leads. Place a 2-3-0 engineer monkey or an alchemist 4-2-0 in range to buff and cleanse commo while increasing DPS. Make sure to slot in targeted Moab killers like a 0-2- bomb shooter or upgrade a super monkey to 5-2-0 for burst when Moab class appears. In the final phase, convert income into 4 high-end carries, your quad, each covering a weakness. 2 anti-Moab, 1 commo clearing, 1 crowd control unit. Make sure each has upgrades to handle fast, high HP waves before round 90 to 100. This prevents staggered failures. If you start leaking, immediately sell lower impact towers and funnel that cash into a single carry to stabilize rounds while you rebuild. Troubleshoot by checking overlap, range gaps, and by adding 1 alchemist or engineer to boost the quad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.